Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the best Amazon promo codes for 2023, and these will also work into 2024. These Amazon promo codes are going to save you $100 off your next order, and it's actually ever so simple. It takes around 5 minutes to get your Amazon coupon code. So let me head to my desk and record my mobile phone. So make sure you follow these steps in this tutorial, and let's get you that free Amazon promo code. Yo, what's up, guys? This video is basically around how you can get a Amazon discount code, and it's the best Amazon discount code for 2023 that I've discovered. As you can see on my screen, usually Amazon vouchers and discount codes are very limited to things such as free delivery, up to 20% off specific items. They're okay, but they're not great, and I'm going to show you how you can get $100 off Amazon site-wide. So it's available to be used on any products in any category, and it's worldwide use. So it'll be $100 in your local currency wherever you're based. So let me show you guys where you can go ahead and get a $100 Amazon discount code for 2023. So you can do it on your desktop, but I find it easier on mobile phone. So grab your mobile device, open up the internet, and go to the following website: giftcardhero.net. We're gonna go there. Now we need to look for the Amazon promo page, so we gotta press menu, search, and I'm gonna type Amazon promo codes 2023 coupon/discount. We click that one. Now we need to scroll down. You can see it's been used over 1,000 times so far. These codes are limited, but as long as you're seeing this page on Gift Card Hero, that means there's codes left. So this number may not be accurate, but if you can click this button, that means there's codes available, guys. $100 off your order for new and existing customers. So anyone can use this code. You don't have to be a new Amazon customer. And it's verified today, meaning it's been used today by a verified user. So let's click this reveal promo code button. Okay, now Gift Card Hero has partnered up with these apps and offers. Basically, this is the only way that we can get the $100 discount code for Amazon for free. Now it is free, but that means we have to spend a couple of minutes completing 2 of these free offers. You can see below each offer there's a description of what you need to do, so you just need to choose 2 that you think are the easiest and go ahead and complete them. So I'm going to click this top one, and now it's going to ask me for my email address. Make sure you put in the correct email, guys, because it does email you the code, and also it verifies you're a real person. So I'm going to do this and go back, do another one, and I'll reconvene with you in a couple of minutes. So I'm back, and I chose 2 of these that I thought were the easiest. So if done correctly and you followed the instructions below each offer, now when you go back to Gift Card Hero, there we go. So now it's released the code. Now this promo code is one-time use, so that means once this code is used, it's going to expire and you need to go and get your own. And you can do that by following this video and going to giftcardhero.net. Enter this code that you get at checkout, and it's gonna reduce your basket. So save your time, don't bother searching on these voucher code websites that are just regular, because you're not gonna get a decent promo code. So hope you enjoyed this video. Press the like button, and I'll see you next week.